like the sneaker cleaning. I like the. We're rolling? Wow, you guys are just... What is good, YouTube? Thank you for tuning in to another sneaker cleaning tutorial by me, Leon, at sneaker.clinic. Make sure you follow us on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Meta. That's where we usually post our before and after work. What do we got here today? Beauty boutique, shoppers, drug mart. Yes, I have been shopping again. Let's take these out. These are the Christian Dior's. J'adore le Christian Dior's. This is my customer's bag. Let's put this aside. Now, I have to confess, I've said this many times. Other shoes worn by the guys, the ones that I clean at least, they tend to stink on the inside. Now, cleaning female shoes, at least my customers, they're awesome. They don't stink. They actually smell better than using rejuvenators, deodorizer. That's a little sad. Now, I'm not bashing on rejuvenator, but it is true. Doing this, I don't need to wear a mask. I can have better health because the odor is not like horrible. It's not gonna kill me. It's not gonna kill you. There's no smell-o-vision right now. You know, you gotta admit, what, I'm a creep? Okay, whatever. Putting that aside, okay, so this is from the same customer. If you haven't seen the cleaning tutorial for this particular shoe, I posted it last year, and it has to do with fixing one of her eyelets, the brass, I think. This is brass. Yeah, it should be brass. It's broken. So I can prove to you, it is actually the right side. This one here, you see how all of these have a little kind of slit? This one is different because the shop, they're not able to get the exact same thing. I was actually shocked when she told me that, you know, I have to bring this back because this thing broke. I was like, oh my God, did the same one break? She's like, no. It's a different one. I'm like, oh, thank goodness. Some fruity vitamin C fast orange cleaner. This is actually for hands, but I'm gonna grab a clean cloth. Even though this is not very clean looking, it is actually clean. Let's just... Now, let's test this out. Let's see how this works. Okay, not too bad. It's actually looking pretty good. Let's clean the front part. This is actually... Whoa! What? Fast orange. Whoa, yeah. We're gonna go ahead and use the Softy brush. Leave the laces on the shoe for the first round of cleaning. By the way, you guys are wondering like, hey, Leon, did you even get this stupid thing fixed? Yes, I did. That guy is amazing. Just clean the shoe. Yeah, sorry. All right, let's dip this in here. Shake it off. Now, I don't have any cloth stuck inside of the toe area because this particular area is already good enough. But if you want to add support while cleaning it, go ahead and put some, you know what, yeah, let's just maintain consistency in all my videos. I'm just gonna do my thing, pat this dry, do the other side. You guys are wondering like, hey, Leon, I'm not using a brush to clean the midsoles. What's going on? You are absolutely right. It is very early in the morning. I got distracted. I'm gonna grab the medium brush and just go ahead and clean the entire midsole like this. I'm gonna target more on the stitching area. When that's good to go, go ahead and use the stiffy brush. No, I'm not gonna do the bottoms for her on the house because then next time she comes back, she's gonna expect me to give her more freebies, more free cleaning. No. And also clean your first gently. Don't wanna break this cheap Dior eyelet metal whatever thing holding the laces. Ooh, you are looking a good, a marvelous, a beautiful. Hey, look at it. Check this out, guys. It's like I'm Christian Dior now. We're rolling. 360. Check this out. You guys are like, whoa. Show me what that other shop guy, cobbler, did. This is what he did. I don't even know if that's the right side anymore. Yeah. This is the other time that was fixed. Take this out. Take sexy photos. Spray some water repellent crap in there. We don't need deodorant, deodorizer, whatever, Old Spice, because the shoes, they already smell pretty good. Oh my God, before we start, holy crap, Christian Dior, what's going on? They should just make this buttons. You know, if they made every single one like a button, then we wouldn't have a problem of it breaking. Come on, Christian Dior, I'm giving you an awesome idea. You can definitely steal it. Everybody steal